Now we start our lesson. Okay. Fil hafilati. What is the meaning of fil hafilati? In the bus. Huh? In the bus. You know, in the bus, there are many passengers. One person is asking the other person some questions. The first person is asking, so he starts the conversation with, Assalamu alaikum. Are you with me? What is the second person replying with? Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Then the first person is asking, Masmuka ya akhi. What is the translation? What is your name, O brother? The person is answering, Ismi Abdullah. Are you with me? Ismi Abdullah. In other words, the number 2 person is Abdullah. Okay? And number 1 person is Faisal. Huh? So, besides Al-Awwalu, you can write down Faisal. Huh? And besides Thani, you can write down Abdullah. Just to make things even more easier, you know. So Abdullah says, Ismi Abdullahi. Huh? Just to refresh your memory. Ismi Abdullahi. What is Ismi? How many words are there? 2. Abdullahi. How many words are there? 2. Abdullahi. 2. Huh? Abdullahi. Now they are both compounds. What kind of a compound is Ismi? Mudaf, Mudafili. What kind of a compound is Abdullahi? Mudaf, Mudafili. Is it Jumla Fi'liya or Jumla Ismiya? Jumla Ismiya. So what are we looking here? Mubtada. Mubtada. Where is our Mubtada? Ismu. Wahuwa Mudaf. And Ya Mutakallam, Mudafili. Where is our Khabar? Abdu. Abdu is our Khabar. Wahuwa Mudaf and Mudafili. MashaAllah, it is fresh in your mind. Huh? Masmuka. What is the translation? And what is your name? Ismi Faisalun. Now again, Ismi is Mudaf, Mudafilihi. Our Mubtada is Ismu, Wahuwa Mudaf, Ya Mutakallim, Mudafilihi. And where is the Khabar? Faisalun. Atalibun Anta Ya Abdallah. Ya Abdallah. Remember? Atalibun Anta Ya Abdallah. Why Ya Abdallah? And not Ya Abdullah? Yes, you see, Ya is a harfu nida. And if the munada happens to be a mudaf, then it becomes mansub. See, Abdullah is a compound. Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. So when you use it with harfu nida, then Abdu becomes Abda. The mudaf becomes mansub. Muhammadun Ya Muhammadu. Aminatu, Ya Aminatu. Abdullahi, Ya Abdullahi. Abu Bakrin, Ya Aba Bakrin. Inshallah we'll remember this. Atalibun Anta Ya Abdullah? Naam. Now the question comes. Aina tadrusu ya akhi? Aina tadrusu ya akhi? Because he is asking someone in front of him. What is the translation? Where do you study? Ya Abdullah? Tadrusu. How will I analyze it? Fi'lun, mudari'un, marfu'un bi damma. Marfu'un bi damma. Are you with me? Maybe I should write down. Okay. Do you all have the keys for book 2? From now onwards, you must always bring the key. Because I will be able to then read some parts of the key. Because the explanation that Dr. Abdur Rahim gives is the most precise and the most beautiful. Okay, nobody can make a better explanation than Dr. Abdurrahim himself. And I would request you, brothers and sisters, that you should have now the old set. Remember the old set? Blue book, orange book, and green book. If you don't have it, please buy it. And that's the key. Because soon we'll be going in book 3, then there are no new books for book 3. The old books are what we'll be studying. So if you don't have them, please buy them. They are available, 6 books for $12. You cannot go wrong. Now, brothers and sisters, what I wrote on the board, okay, that will apply to, the first thing will apply to 5 in the pocket. Are you with me? If I say darasa and then go to yadrusu, 5 in your pocket, what will be? Yadrusu, tadrusu, tadrusu, adrusu, nadrusu. Now, in all of these 5, your explanation will be fi'lun, mudari'un, marfu'un, bidamma. In all of these 5s, which is 5 in your pocket. The second section, what is the second section? Noon aata hai, noon jata hai. How will you define that from grammar point of view? You will say, if you see the noon, you will say fi'lun, mudari'un, marfu'un, bi thubuti noon. What is the thubuti noon means? It is marfu with the presence of noon. What will you write down? Presence of noon. Bi thubuti noon. Presence. By the presence of noon. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, there will be certain sentences of grammar. You will memorize it. It will automatically be memorized. And then that's all, you use it all the time. So it's very easy. So when it's 5 in the pocket, your explanation is fi'lun, mudari'un, marfu'un, bidamma. And when it is noon aata hai, noon jata hai, what is your explanation? Fi'lun, mudari'un, marfu'un, bi thubuti noon. It's marfu. How do you know it is marfu? By the presence of the noon. Are you with me? It's very easy. Inshallah. Keep that in mind. So here, aina tadrusu ya akhi? Where do you study, oh brother? Tadrusu, fi'lun, mudari'un, marfu'un, bidamma. And where is the file? Damirun mustatirun. Takdiruhu anta. Takdiruhu anta. Very good. What is the answer of Abdullah? Adrusu. What is the meaning of adrusu? I study. Okay, brother, adrusu, how will you define adrusu? Fi'lun, mudari'un, marfu'un, bidamma. And where is the file? Damirun, mustatirun, takdiruhu, ana. Sahi? So it's very simple. And you will love to say it, inshallah. Adrusu bi Jamiati Riyadh. I study the University of Riyadh. Bi Jamiati Riyadh. How many words are there? 3. Bi, harfjar, Jamiati, ism majrur, wa huwa, mudaf, and then mudaf ilayhi. Very good. Now look at this next sentence, brother. Ayyu has come. But before ayyu, there is a harfjar. So what will you say? Fi ayyi. Fi ayyi kulliyatin. Fi ayyi kulliyatin. These 3 words are coming in a sequence. Okay. And how will you define it? Fi, harf jar, ayyi, ism majrur. Wa huwa, mudaf, and kulliyatin, mudaf ilayh. Remember, we studied, ayyu will always come as a mudaf. So if fi comes, then because of the fi, ayyu became ayyi, majroor. But it is still mudaf. and there will be mudaf ilayhi after it. في أي كلية تدرس. How will you translate? In which faculty do you study? You are studying. What is the answer? أدرس في كلية الهندسة. في حرف جر كلية اسم مجرور وهو مضاف and هندسة مضاف إليه. How will you translate? In the faculty of engineering. In the faculty of engineering. Fine. في أي سنة. How will you translate this? In which year? In which year are you studying? في أي سنة تدرس. Now remember, brothers and sisters, تدرس, we analyzed it. So there should not be any problem. تدرس فعل مضارع مرفوع بضمة. Where's the file? مستتر. تقديره أنت. أدرس تقديره أنا. ندرس نحن. تقديره نحن. And if I say تدرس for a lady, then تقديره هي. If I say يدرس, تقديره هو. أدرس في السنة الثانية. I study in the second year. Correct, brother? I study in the second year. أتعرف المهندس سلمان. أتعرف. Do you know the engineer Salman? Okay, brothers. أتعرف. عرف يعرف. What Bab will this be? Arafa ya'arifu. Bab daraba. Daraba yadribu. Okay. Arafa ya'arifu. Are you with me? Arafa ya'arifu. So this is Bab daraba. Keep that in mind. Always, What is the meaning of ta'arifu? Do you know? Okay. Know what? Al-Muhandisa. So mafulun bihi. Know what? The question applies. Fine, brother and sister. Ta'arifu. Fi'alun mudariun marfun bi. Damma. Fa'il. Mustatir. Taqdiruhu anta. See, it is same thing you keep on saying. If you have to analyze. But we are not going to analyze every sentence. At random, we'll pick up sentences and analyze, inshallah. So Muhandisa, what is Muhandisa? Maf'ulun bi. And what is this Salman doing here? It's Badal. You immediately can recognize it is Badal for Muhandis. Tab'an. Tab'an. Are you with me? Tab'an. What is the meaning of Tab'an? Of course. Of course. Is Tab'an marfu, mansub, majroor? Why? There has to be a reason. What is the reason? Tab'an. Maf'ulun mutlaq. What is it? Maf'ulun. Just write down Maf'ulun mutlaq. When we study, inshallah, in detail, you'll understand it fully, inshallah. Huwa ustadhi. Ustadhi. How many words are there? Two. Mudaf, mudaf ilayh. So huwa mubtada, where is khabar? Ustadhu. وهو مضاف and يا متكلم مضاف إليه. هو again مبتدا. أحسن مدرس. Where is our خبر? أحسن. وهو مضاف and مدرس مضاف إليه في الكلية جار مجرور. What is the translation? هو أحسن مدرس في الكلية. He is the best. Superlative degree. He is the best teacher in the faculty. من هؤلاء الفتية الذين